Hi, I'm Yusuf. One of my subscribers asked me how can we change M08 code, colon code, float, miss, true or tab. How can we change it? How can we make it optional actually? It changes as a post processor template change. First we create a post as generic. It's for sample. You can have a different template, but I will use it because it's very simple. Okay, I created it, and I can first I look at motion, linear move. M8 code is here, and you can see a red dot on the corner, on the upper right corner. It means it's optional. Okay, if we click edit, we can see that mom says colon code, mom colon status. Okay. We have an operation here, and we click post process and choose the operation, and we can see that there isn't any M8 codes. Okay, because it is optional. Okay, we can change the elements to colons on, and we deactivate the optional option, and we save it. We can now see the M8 codes. Okay, if we want to change it to, for example, true, we open colons on and we choose true. But the true code, what is the true code? We click M codes and we can see that true code is 26, tab is 28. Okay, we click OK and we post process, and we now still have M8 codes because in linear move we can see that just it is on, so we change it to M colon codes and we change it to optional. We click OK and we save it again. When we post process again, we can see that I have M28 codes, or I will change it to missed. Post process M7. Okay, we change it like this. Thanks for watching. It's all for this video. Please don't forget to like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe because it's important from now on.